Right, so just a really quick video. A while back, I'm sure it was Tony Constantinople had asked me how I sharpen my Swiss Army knife when I'm out in the woods or whatever carving traps, because you've got to have the knife pretty sharp, you know, if you're doing quite a lot of carving. So yeah, he'd asked me how I sharpen my knives, and I had replied to him, but I'll show you exactly how I do it and what I use. So I just keep this small little sharpening stone in my bag all the time. This is like my work bag. I just keep that thrown in the bottom. It's normally in another little bag with some other things, like a lighter, another little small knife, and a few other bits and bobs. But at the minute it's actually just thrown at the bottom of the bag. Because it doesn't weigh anything, you know, it doesn't get in the way, I leave it in there. Because all my other sharpening stones are massive great things, and you know, you can't really carry them around. So I carry that to sharpen the knife, and I'll show you how I do it, because you've got to do it slightly different, I suppose, to a big one. And this is how I would do it. So I get the knife like this. If I can stick the point of the knife inside to keep it sturdy, I will. Otherwise I'll just kind of have it like this, right? And then circular motions, I just go up and down the blade. Like I said, it's better if you can put that end in something, keeps it a lot more solid. And I also do a little blade with it as well. I've got a bit of paper. I can't guarantee that this is actually going to cut paper, because the thing is, it's just a quick go over it. Oh, it will, yeah, just about. Not that that's any type of test in my opinion anyway, because I'm not going to go into the woods and start cutting paper. I think the best way to test your knife sharpness is by cutting something that you're going to cut. So if you're going to carve wood with this, then, you know, carve a bit of wood, see how easily it cuts into the wood, then you know it's going to work. You know, you might slice a bit of paper, but it may not cut your piece of wood, whatever. So I always normally would just test it on what I want to cut. Yeah, so little round circular motions, just going with the bevel. I can't tell you what kind of grit this is. It's just one of them weird little kind of random ones you get. Anyway, yeah, so with that, that's how I sharpen my Swiss Army knife if I'm out somewhere. You know, if I'm at home, big one. If I'm out, always carry that one in a little bag. Then I can just put an edge back on these and do the small blade as well, and then that can keep you carving wood for making trap triggers. Right, anyway, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.